125, location QC 256.5. Hi, 01901, CSXT 5233, SD Russell. Circle line 5A, do not exceed the following speed. 25 over 25 mile per hour on number 1 track. Between milepost QC 271.6 and milepost QC 272.0. Signs are no. And drop down circle line 10, the dispatcher message 25136 is an old. Over.
Hey everyone, Amtrak and 6X Griffin here, and we got Amtrak 63 was one of our favorite heritage units, 100 again, about to come. I just heard him, that was him just now trying to warn us from the Bolivar area right now, just now like he did. He would be appearing any sec. Yep, there he is.
Yeah, I stepped on you. What was that over? I believe you know, that's some of the size of sighting, but the sighting here. CSX.
Here he goes.
No defects. No defects. Total axle 472. End of transmission. End of transmission.